My name's Elliot. We're at the Geelong Tech School and we're learning about girls in STEM. I'm really excited.
We've just used the marshmallows as joining points for the spaghettis, and we use multiple spaghettis so that they're not as flimsy. And we did the diagonal triangles just to stabilise it all together, basically. We made like a marshmallow tower to hold up other marshmallows.
This is the phone case that I made using a 3D pen gun thing. Using the heat, I fused the strands to my actual phone case because, yeah, now they're one kind of wacky looking phone case.
We're using Unreal Legend to create a game today. Making an obstacle course on this computer and everything rotates around and you gotta be like Ninja Warrior.
I left high school having no idea what I wanted to be. A day like this would have been incredible and given me a whole lot of direction. As a maths teacher, it was great to have the panelists share how they use science and mathematics in their day-to-day jobs.
A day like this is important to inspire young women into a multitude of STEM industries in our community.
I think you have to see it to be it. Like, girls need to see what's available to them, and it's, for me, really amazing to meet all these young girls who have such exciting futures available to them.
Are you guys going to have STEM careers? Is that where you're going?
Maybe. It depends how I'm feeling. I do enjoy my maths. Yes. And my science.
You do enjoy the maths and the science?
Yes. We're very good at it. Building stuff, it's very fun.